I'm Brian DeLuca and this is eDesign It. Today we're talking all about potentiometers, but before we do that, make sure you like and follow. Potentiometers, also referred to as pots, are essential electronic components in electronic devices. They're adjustable resistors that allow users to vary resistance within a given circuit, making them an integral part of a wide range of applications, from simple volume control to complex industrial machinery. A potentiometer is a 3-terminal resistor with a siding or rotating contact that forms an adjustable voltage divider. It consists of a resistant element, sliding contact or a wiper, and 3 terminals. The resistive element is typically made of carbon, ceramic, or conductive plastic. The wiper moves across the element to vary the resistance. The basic operation of a potentiometer is pretty straightforward. When the voltage is applied across the 2 outer terminals, the position of the wiper determines the output of the voltage. The wiper divides the resistive element into 2 parts, creating a variable voltage divider. By adjusting the wiper position, the resistance between the wiper and each terminal changes, thus altering the voltage output. The output voltage is given by this formula. Potentiometers are used in a wide array of applications, such as volume control of audio equipment, position sensors and joysticks, and adjustable power supplies. Their simplicity, reliability, and effectiveness continue to make them a cornerstone in both consumer electronics and industrial applications. For more on technology, make sure to like and follow eDesign It, and remember to visit edesignit.com.